Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. In front of us, a stunning model of carbon fiber wheelchair you've never seen before. I think you probably see another model, curved shape. This is very similar to our D09, which is our best seller in the world. We sell something like 40,000 units around the world. And we have a very similar look, but it's carbon fiber made. There are several benefits. The weight is reduced significantly. First of all, let's look at the frame. 100% done by carbon fiber inside our factory. And then it's very easy to pull out the armrest. Very easy to get in the wheelchair. Even the footstep here, a nice finishing one-piece design. No welding point. It's also done by carbon fiber. Battery is the same as D09. It's on the both sides of the frame. You can just touch here and then slide it out. Take inside your home. You can do off-board charging like you're charging your ordinary cell phone. Very easy and convenient. This battery also comply with MSDS, which is allow you to do transportation, and even you can take the battery inside your bag, get into the airplane. Let me show you how to fold the wheelchair. It's very easy. One touch design over here. Hold the seat here and the seat back. 1 second, you can just close it. Then you can move it everywhere. Allow you to take drag like a luggage. Very simple and easy. Open it. Just 1 second. One thing worth mentioning. This model have special design of the anti-tilt wheel, which is only one in the middle. The material has been improved. It's real nice material and more durable. The motor here, 100% is done by us. Several years of R&D development, and also is 100% done inside our factory. Our factory has certification from CE and FDA. Okay. We can get in here easily, and then turn this one. Turn this on, just one touch. We have a speed adjustment here over the controller, battery indicator here, and also the horn. Alright, one touch, one finger touch. Right now it's a manual mode. Let me switch to the automatic mode. Then we can just turn it on. One touch, and then we can go. Very simple and easy. Very tight radius. This way and this way. Armrest is carbon fiber. Its strength is a lot better than alloy. Let me show you the armrest can hold one person, and even I jump on it, no problem at all. Okay. I hope you like the wheelchair. If you have any inquiry, just email us or contact us anytime. Thank you very much.